We're at the end, so let's move in the tenant. Before the tenant arrives, I recommend taking plenty of pictures. All of these pictures will document the property's condition, so that later, when the tenant decides to move out, you will have these pictures available in case of any dispute. Additionally, I've included a form designed to document the current condition of the property, including any existing damage. Go ahead and fill that out. On the form, I recommend listing any keys you are giving to the tenant as well. For instance, the front door key, maybe a pool key, a mailbox key, and any remotes should be listed. All of that should be listed so that at the time of move out, there is no question about what you provided to the tenant. The tenant should be reminded to call utilities immediately and ensure that the turnover date for utilities matches the move-in date. And then, finally, give them a phone number to call in case of any maintenance issues. If you follow these steps, everything should go smoothly. We have reached the end of the course. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to sign up for the course. Please explore my other available courses and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have. Thank you very much.